Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Siva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. In this video, I will explain the important current affairs of May 2nd week. We start. Madhya Pradesh government has launched country's first information report आपके द्वारा योजना. It is FIR at your doorstep. Recently, Madhya Pradesh government has launched country's first information report आपके द्वारा योजना. The Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Lalji Tandon. Next, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank has approved a loan amount of $500 million for India. Recently, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank has approved $500 million loan to India for COVID-19 Emergency Response Fund. The headquarters of Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank is Beijing, China, and President is Jin Liqin. Next, Indian tennis player Sania Mirza has become the first Indian to win Fed Cup Heart Award 2020 for Asia and Ocean Zone. Sania Mirza became the first Indian tennis player to win Fed Cup Heart Award. Next, Mustafa Al-Kadhimi sworn in as Prime Minister of Iraq. Recently, Mustafa Al-Kadhimi sworn as the Prime Minister of Iraq. He is the 6th Prime Minister of Iraq and capital is Baghdad and currency is dinar. Next, US based Vista Equity Partners to buy 2.32% stake in Geo Platforms for 11,367 crores. Recently, Vista Equity Partners, it is a US based company, to buy 2.32% stake in Geo Platforms for 11,367 crore. Next, IIT Delhi has developed and launched an antimicrobial and washable face mask, that is NSafe. NSafe, it is a washable face mask. It is launched by IIT Delhi. Next, Union Minister for Human Resource and Development Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank launched Central University of Odisha Helpline Bharosa to help students in distress. Recently, HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank launches Central University of Odisha Helpline Bharosa for helping students in distress. The Chief Minister of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik and Governor is Ganeshi Lal. Next, FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup India has been rescheduled from February 17 to March 7, 2021. Earlier, this tournament scheduled to November 2nd to 21, 2020. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, this schedule was postponed and the new schedule of FIFA Under-17 Women World Cup is February 17 to March 7, 2021. The headquarters of FIFA is Zurich, Switzerland and President is Gianni Infantino. Next, World Thalassemia Day is observed on May 8. Every year, World Thalassemia Day is observed on May 8. The theme for the year 2020 is the drawing of a new era of thalassemia. Next, Tripura CM launched National Scholarship online portal under Mukhyamantri Yuba Yoga Yog Yojana. Recently, Tripura Chief Minister Biplav Kumar Dev has launched National Scholarship online portal under Mukhyamantri Yuba Yoga Yog Yojana. The present Chief Minister of Tripura is Biplav Kumar Dev and Governor is Ramesh Bayas. Next, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh has launched Pravasi Rahat Mitra mobile app for migrant workers. Recently, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh has launched Pravasi Rahat Mitra mobile app for migrant workers. Migrant worker means workers who are shifted from one place to another place based on work situation. The present Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath and Governor is Anandiben Patel. Next, Indian Council for Cultural Relations has launched a musical creation, United We Fight, which was written and composed by Joey Alvarez to fight against COVID-19. Recently, Indian Council for Cultural Relations has unveiled a musical creation, United We Fight, which was written and composed by Joey Alvarez to fight against COVID-19. The headquarters of Indian Council for Cultural Relations is New Delhi. Next, Indian Council of Medical Research has entered into partnership with India Post to deliver corona test kits. Recently, Indian Council of Medical Research has partnered with Indian Post to deliver corona test kits. The headquarters of Indian Council of Medical Research is New Delhi and the Director General of ICMR is Balram Bhargava. Next, the Parliament of Iran has approved a bill on national currency denomination. Recently, Iran Parliament has approved a bill which allows to cutting 4 zeros from its national currency rial and it is renamed as Toman. The capital of Iran is Tehran and President of Iran is Hassan Rouhani. Next, World Economic Forum's Global Energy Transition Index 2020. India rank is 74th and this index is topped by Sweden. The headquarters of World Economic Forum is Kalgoni, Switzerland. Next, the New Development Bank or BRICS Bank. BRICS stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Recently, the New Development Bank has disbursed USD $1 billion emergency assistance loan to India. The headquarters of NDB Bank is Shanghai, China. Next, the Kempegowda International Airport in Bengaluru, Karnataka has won Skytrax Award 2020 for Best Regional Airport in India and Central Asia. Recently, Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru has won Skytrax Award 2020 and it ranks 68 in the world's top 100 airport list and this list was topped by Singapore's Changi Airport. The present Chief Minister of Karnataka is B.S. Yediyurappa and Governor is Vajpayee Wala. Next, United Nations Environment Program has extended Bollywood actress Dia Mirza as Goodwill Ambassador till 2022. Recently, United Nations Environment Program has extended Bollywood actress Dia Mirza's term as Goodwill Ambassador till 2022. The headquarters of United Nations Environment Program is Nairobi, Kenya. Next, the Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR National Institute of Virology Pune. It is important. National Institute of Virology and headquarters is Pune has developed the first indigenous antibody detection kit COVID Kavach Elisha for COVID-19. The headquarters of ICMR is New Delhi and Secretary and Director General is Balram Bhargava. National Institute of Virology headquarters is Pune. It is very important. There is a chance of next upcoming exams. Next, the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Minister MSME Ministry has launched a portal named Champions. The full form of Champion is Creation and Harmonious Application or modern process for increasing the output and national strength. Recently, MSME Ministry has launched Champion portal. The present Union Minister for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise is Nitin Gadkari. Next, Manmeet Singh Walia, the former national table tennis champion, has recently passed away. Manmeet Singh Walia, table tennis player, has recently passed away. Next, World Migratory Bird Day as observed on 9th May. The theme of this year, Birds Connect Our World. Next, Sanjeevani, a unique vehicle developed at the local level in Madhya Pradesh to assist healthcare workers without direct physical contact. Recently, in Madhya Pradesh, Sanjeevani vehicle was developed for healthcare workers for purpose of without direct physical contact. The present Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Lalji Tandon. Next, the Uttarakhand Chief Minister has launched Hope Portal. The full form of Hope is helping out people everywhere. Once again, full form of Hope is helping out people everywhere. A portal to create employment opportunities for the youth. The present Chief Minister of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat and Governor is Baby Rani Maurya. Next, Uttar Pradesh has become the first state in the country to provide the facility of beds with ventilator in hospitals of all 75 districts of states. Recently, Uttar Pradesh has become the first state in the country. It provides beds with ventilator facility in all 75 districts. The present Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath and Governor is Anandibin Patel. Next, Nitin Gadkari, Ministry of Road and Transport and MSME also sets a road construction target for next 2 years is 15 lakh crore rupees. Recently, Nitin Gadkari has set a target of 15 lakh crore rupees for next 2 years during the recent held virtual meeting. Next, the central government has initiated Mission Sagar to send medical assistance to 5 island nations through Indian naval ship Kesari, deported for Maldives, Mauritius, Seychelles, Madagascar, and Comoros to provide food items, COVID-related medicines. Recently, central government under the mission of Mission Sagar to send medical assistance to 5 island nations through INS Kesari. To these 5 island nations, Maldives, Mauritius, Seychelles, Madagascar, and Comoros, under the mission name of Mission Sagar. Very important, Mission Sagar. Next, National Gallery of Modern Art launches a virtual program. The name of virtual program is National Gallery of Modern Art के संग्रह से to showcase artworks. Next, the Union Minister of Science and Technology Harshavardhan addressed a digital conference. The name of the digital conference is Restart. The full form of Restart is Reboot the Economy through Science, Technology and Research Translations. To celebrate National Technology Day on May 11th, recently, Union Ministry of Science and Technology Harshavardhan addressed this digital conference. Next, according to Sample Registration System Report, Madhya Pradesh is the state with maximum infant mortality rate and Bihar highest death rate. Chhattisgarh has highest birth rate. According to sample registration system, Madhya Pradesh top in infant mortality rate and Bihar is in highest death rate. Chhattisgarh is in highest birth rate. Next, Supreme Court orders to set up high-powered committee headed by Secretary of Ministry of Home Affairs Ajay Bhalla to restore 4G internet services in Jammu and Kashmir. For restoration of 4G internet services in Jammu and Kashmir, Supreme Court orders to set up a committee which is headed by Ajay Bhalla. He is the Ministry of Secretary of Home Affairs. The present Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir is Girish Chandra Murmu. Next, PM Modi announces 20 lakh crore rupees special economic package under the scheme of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, which is to be provided by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Nirmala Sitharaman is the present Union Ministry of Finance and Corporate Affairs. Next, the Indian Meteorological Department has included the areas of Gilgit, Baltistan and Muzaffarabad, which are parts of Pakistan occupied Kashmir, in its weather forecasting for the first time. Recently, Indian Meteorological Department has included these places in weather forecasting for the first time. The headquarters of Indian Meteorological Department is New Delhi, and the Prime Minister of Pakistan is Imran Khan. Next, World Health Organization released first State of the World's Nursing Report 2020. According to this, a global shortfall of 5.9 million nurses According to report released by World Health Organization, stated 5.9 million nurses shortfall for 2020. The headquarters of World Health Organization is Geneva, Switzerland, and Director General is Tedros Adhanom. Next, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention of the United States of America has promised $3.6 million to India combat COVID-19. Recently, Center for Disease Control and Prevention of the USA has promised $3.6 million to India to combat COVID-19. Next, NABARD disburses 12,767 crore to state cooperative banks and RRBs. Recently, NABARD disburses 12,767 crore to state cooperative banks and RRBs to extend credit to farmers. The full form of NABARD is important, which stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. The headquarters of NABARD is Mumbai, Maharashtra, and chairman is Harshakumar Banwala. Next, Finance Ministry has informed that government has hiked its estimated gross market borrowings from 7.80 lakh crore to 12 lakh crore for the financial year 2021. Recently, Finance Ministry informed increasing the gross market borrowings from 7.80 lakh crore to 12 lakh crore for financial year of 2021. The present Union Minister for Ministry of Finance is Nirmala Sitharaman. Next, on occasion of World Press Freedom Day, which is celebrated on May 3rd, 17 journalists from 14 countries have been named for Deutsche Welle Freedom of Speech Award 2020. Journalist Siddharth Varadarajan from India among them. Next, Lieutenant Commander Akshay Kumar was awarded Vice Admiral G.M. Hiranandani Memorial Rolling Trophy 2020. Recently, Lieutenant Commander Akshay Kumar was awarded Vice Admiral G.M. Hiranandani Memorial Rolling Trophy 2020. Next, former Sri Lanka player Kumara Sangakkara is to serve as second term as president of Melbourne Cricket Club. Recently, Kumara Sangakkara has reappointed. It is the second term president of Melbourne Cricket Club. Next, EduTech Film Elsa Corp appoints Indian cricketer Ajinkya Rahane as its brand ambassador for India, Maldives, East Australia, New Zealand, and SAARC nations. Recently, Elsa Corp appoints Ajinkya Rahane as its brand ambassador. Next, Manoj Ahuja, senior IAS officer. Manoj Ahuja, he is a senior IAS officer, is appointed as the new chief of Central Board of Secondary Education. He is appointed as the CBSE chief, and V. Vidyavati as the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. Next, the Sundaram Medical Foundation of TVS Group and IIT Madras have jointly developed a low-cost automated respiratory assistance device named Sundaram Ventago that will be useful in remote areas and rural areas where ventilator facilities are not available. Recently, Sundaram Medical Foundation of TBS Group and IIT Madras has developed low-cost automated respiratory assistance device. The name of the device is Sundaram Ventago. Next, Tamil Nadu government has constituted a 24-member high-level committee headed by C. Rangarajan to the COVID-19 pandemic. Recently, Tamil Nadu state government has formed a 24-member committee which is headed by C. Rangarajan to the COVID-19 pandemic. The present Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is Eddapadi K. Palaniswamy and Governor is Banwarlal Purohit. Next, Madhya Pradesh CM relaunched Sambal Yojana for Dalit tribals and poor. Recently, Madhya Pradesh CM has launched Sambal Yojana for Dalit tribals and poor. The present Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Governor is Lalji Tandon. Next, the West Bengal government has launched Matir Spriti scheme to utilize 50,000 acres of barren land in 6 districts for income generating activities like horticulture. Recently, West Bengal government has launched Matir Smriti scheme to utilize 50,000 acres of barren land in 6 districts. The present Chief Minister of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee and Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. Next, friends, these are the important current affairs of May 2nd week. If you want quizzes based on this video, join my Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thanks for watching.